Yan. Okay. Um, for today, we will discuss writing system of linear inequalities given its graph. So ngayon, merong graph, hanapin naman natin yung inequality. Unlike yesterday, ang ginawa natin ay given yung system, pero given yung system, hanapin yung graph. Ngayon, kabaliktaran naman. Kailangan meron kayong knowledge about the system of linear equations or in this system actually, yung mismong linear equation, kung paano magsulat ng linear equations, given lang yung isang graph. Just like the example in your module, ito yon. So, kinuha ko to sa inyong module. Bale, gagamit tayo ng concept ng y equals mx plus b, wherein m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. So, dapat alam niyo kung paano mag-rise over run. Lahat to ay na-discuss na ng first quarter. Alalahanin. And notice na ito, merong broken line, merong solid line. So, gagamitin din natin yung natutunan natin noong mga nakaraan. So, let's proceed with this example. Ito lang yung shaded region, yung color blue. Hahanapin natin yung system. And notice that there are two boundary lines or two plane dividers. Bale, ang hinahanap natin ay dalawang linear inequalities. So let's start first with the horizontal line. Please take note that if the graph is a horizontal line, lagi yang y equals kung ano man yung matatamaan niyang number. Okay? Again, kapag horizontal yung ating line, horizontal line, doon sa ating Cartesian plane, laging y equals kung ano yung tatamaan niyang number. So, this is a horizontal line and it's a solid line. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yung solid line na yan. If we're going to extend this, anong number siya tumama? Tumama siya doon sa 2. Meaning, the equation of this yellow line here, the equation of this line is y equals 2. So, ganun lang kadali. Kasi horizontal lang. So, madali lang hanapin yung equation. We do not need to get the slope. Kasi wala namang slope yan. Diba? Wala siyang slope. Meron siyang rise pero walang run. Wala siyang rise pero may run. So, the slope here is 0. Sabihin, constant lang yung ating. So, y equals 2. Yan lang. Then, let us decide whether the inequality symbol that we will use is greater than equal to or less than equal to. Bakit itong dalawang to lang? Dahil solid yung ating line eh. This boundary line here is a solid line. So, itong dalawang to ang pagpipilian natin. Let's have a test point. So, kuha tayo ng point na nandito sa shaded region. So, halimbawa, ito na lang. Nasa shaded region naman siya. So, for sure, this point here is a solution to the inequality. Our point is 4, 0. This is x and this is y. So, replace y with 0. Then 2. Ano kaya yung inequality that will satisfy or will make this statement true? Is it greater than equal to or less than equal to? We know that 0 is less than 2. Therefore, the inequality that we will use is less than or equal to 2. Okay? Meaning, lahat ng values ng y dito ay mas mababa kesa sa 2. Therefore, our first inequality is y less than or equal to 2. The inequality, yung inequality nitong solid line is y less than or equal to 2. Okay? Next, yung broken line. We're done with the solid line. Ngayon, yung broken line naman tayo. So, ito. Hindi masyadong kita. Ayan. So, itong broken line na ito. Since it's a slanting line, gagamit tayo dito ng slope-intercept form. Yung y equals mx plus b kasi slanting yung ating line. Tapos, naka-lean siya to the right. So, positive yung ating slope. Paano natin mag-verify yun? Let's locate 2 points na nasa broken line, nasa boundary 2. Locate tayo ng dalawang points. So, halimbawa, ito, nasa mismong line siya. Tapos, ito na, ito na lang, madali, 0, 0. So, we have 2 points here. First point, point 1 natin ay 0, 0. So, this is P1. Tapos, ito yung P2 natin. Second point is 1, 1. Yan. Let's just get the slope by using rise over run. Rise over run, or pwede naman yung y sub 2 minus y sub 1 or x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So kapag nag-rise tayo, mag-rise tayo ng isa, run tayo ng isa. Therefore, the slope is 1. And by solving it algebraically, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Okay? Ito yung ating x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1, ito yung x sub 2, ito yung y sub 2. Replace lang natin. Y sub 2 is 1, y sub 1 is 0. X sub 2 is 1, x sub 1 is 0. So, 1 talaga yung slope. Diba? Meaning, ito ay 1. Next, ano naman yung y-intercept? Yung y-intercept, sabi, that is the value of y when x is 0. So, meron na tayong point na ganun, di ba? Again, the value of y when x is 0. Since x is 0 here, ano yung value ng y? Ang value ng y natin ay 0. So, by substitution, pag sinubstitute natin yun, y equals mx plus b. M is 1, x. Ang y-intercept natin ay 0. 1 times x is x plus 0. X pa rin yun. So, ang ating second equation ay y equals x. Meaning, yung equation nitong broken line na to ay y equals x. Ang problema na lang natin ay kung anong inequality symbol ang gagamitin natin. Since it's a broken line, ang pagpipilian lang natin ay greater than or less than. Ngayon, allocate tayo ng test point. Gamitin na lang natin yung 4, 0 as our test point. Okay? Y equals x. Ito yung x, ito yung y. Ang y natin ay 0, ang x ay 4. So, anong inequality ang magsasatisfy or will make 0 blank 4 be true? So, ano yun? Is it greater than or less than? We know that 0 is less than 4. So, less than yung ating inequality symbol. So, replace the equal sign with less than sign, less than x. So, ito ngayon yung ating second inequality. Kapag to be sure kung ito nga yung ating system, our final answer here is y less than or equal to 2 and y less than x. Mag-locate pa tayo ng isang point na nandito sa ating shaded region. So, halimbawa, 2, negative 3. So, if x is 2 and y is negative 3, replace natin. Tingnan natin kung magto-true. dito, so y less than or equal to 2, y lang yung papalitan natin kasi wala namang x. So y is negative 3 less than 2. This is true. Mas mababa talaga yung negative 3 kaysa sa 2. Yung isa naman, y less than x. Y less than x. Y is negative 3 less than, ang x natin ay 2. Totoo ba to? Yes, this is also true. Kasi negative 3 ay mas mababa sa 2. Okay? So, tama yung ating inequality. Para mas maging sure pa tayo kasi meron tayong trust issues, we can use decimals. Y greater than or equal to 2. Ay, sorry. Tama ba? Less than pala. Less than. Sorry. Less than or equal to 2. Tapos yung isa ay y less than x. Yan. Itong part na ito, kung makikita niya, di ba? May red, tapos may blue. Yung intersection nila, yung overlapping region nila ay yung shade, yung color blue kanina. So, ito yun. Yan yung itsura. Yan. Parang trapezoid. Okay? That's how you answer this kind of question. Now, let's try this rhombus here. If you have questions, paki-comment na lang dyan. Erase mo ito. So, nag-overlap na siya. So, ang sagot dito, yung system. Okay, wala. So, our answer is y less than or equal to 2, y less than x. Ayan. Ngayon, dito tayo sa rhombus. So, madali na lang hanapin yung ilan ang boundary lines natin dito. Ang boundary lines natin ay 4. Lahat solid line. So, ang pagpipilian lang natin less than equal to at greater than equal to. Okay? Doon muna tayo sa horizontal line kasi madaling kuhanin yun. Sa horizontal line, dumaan siya kay 4. So, y is equal to 4. Yung pangalawa, dumaan siya kay negative 2. Itong, sana nakikita niyo, nakikita. Ayan. Dumaan siya kay negative 2. So, y is equal to negative 2. Dalawa yung slanting. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng slope-intercept form, or we can also use point-slope form. Okay? Ayan. Kuha tayo ng point dito para ma-identify na natin kung less than equal to, greater than equal to. Halimbawa, ito na lang. This point is 1, 3. So, ang test point natin, 1, 3. Hanggang mamaya ito na yung gagamitin natin. 1, 3. This is x, this is y. Palitan natin yung y ng 3. 3 tapos blank 4. Yung isa naman, isabay na natin. Negative 2. Ay, sorry. Ligtad. 3 blank negative 2. Ayan. 3 is less than 4. So, ang gagamitin natin ay less than or equal to. Ngayon, ang ating inequality, first inequality ay y less than or equal to 4. Kopyahin nyo lang yung ginamit nating inequality doon sa test point. Pangalawa, this is true na. Pangalawa, 3 is it greater than or less than? Of course, it's greater than negative 2. So, ang gagamitin nating inequality ay greater than or equal to. Yan. Meron na tayo kagad dalawang inequality. Ayan. Next, number 3. Ito muna tayo. Nabura. Ito muna tayo. Yan, yan linya na yan. It's a solid line. Okay. Kuha tayo ng points. Pwede na lang tayo din mag-rise overrun. So, hindi ko makita. Maglalakita ka na 2 point na nasa mismong boundary line. So, ito yun. Saka ito. Rise overrun na ako to get the slope. Natin yung slope. Rise. So, from this point, punta tayo dun sa itong point na to. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang rise natin ay 4 over, ang run natin ay 1. 4 over 1. Therefore, the slope is 4. Positive kasi pumunta siya sa kanan. So, ang slope natin ay 4. Ngayon, yung points natin na ginamit, anong coordinates niyan? Ang coordinates niyan ay yung isa 2, 0 at yung isa ay 3, positive 4. Okay? Y equals mx plus b. Ang y natin, kokopyahin lang. Equals, ang m ay 4. Ang x kopyahin. Yung b, that is the value of x when y is 0. Pero wala tayong ganun. So, para mahanap yun, kuha na lang tayo ng isang point dito. Ito na lang 2, 0. Kahit huwag na yung 3, 4. Substitute natin to get the value of b. So, this is 0. 4 times x is 2 plus b. So, this is now equal to 0 equals 8 plus b. And to get the value of b, change the sign of 8 kasi by addition property of equality, magiging negative 8 equals b. So, b is equal to negative 8. Okay? Palitan lang natin to. Ngayon, ang ating equation ay y equals 4x minus 8. Now, let's decide whether we're going to use greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Ang ginamit natin test point ay 1, 3. So, palitan natin yung y ng 3, palitan natin yung x ng 1 minus 8. Solve muna natin. 4 times 1 is 4 minus 8. So, definitely, this will become negative. So, 3, negative 4. Ngayon, decide tayo. 3 is greater than or equal to negative 4. So, we're going to use greater than or equal to. Meaning, ang ating inequality ay y greater than or equal to 4x minus 8. Sige, please. You may also try the other one. So, ano ba? Kung sino makakapagbigay ng inequality nito, i-PM ako, PM me, tapos bibigyan ko ng plus sa summative test number 1. So, I will give plus 2 on summative test number 1. Okay? Ayan. So, I will tignan natin kung ano yung magiging answer nyo. Tignan natin kung nanood talaga kayo. Diba? So, may plus 2 sa summative test. Okay, ayan. So, ang kailangan na lang natin ay yung equation or yung inequality rather, yung inequality nitong borderline. Okay, so that ends my first video regarding this. If you have any questions, you may PM me or comment. Okay, bye.